आपके बुक के हिसाब से इन्वेस्टिंग में पेशेंस का होना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी
हाँ, वो तो अब आपको मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैंने आपको विस्की का बता दिया ना.
एग्जैक्टली.
So I went to a single malt distillery in Scotland. So I went to a distiller about the process of whiskey making. So he said whiskey का जो liquid होता है उसको बनाने में आपको पता है कितने दिन लगते हैं? 10-15 दिन लगते हैं. That liquid gets put in something called a cask. You've seen a wooden cask? And that cask sits and ages. And it endures the weather. And as it ages, it acquires value. Now the distiller told me something. He said, 3 साल से पहले, until you have endured 3 years of weather, you can't legally be qualified as whiskey. You can't be sold as whiskey. So we started looking at prices of whiskey. So we looked at a 12-year-old bottle of whiskey. उसका प्राइस कुछ 50 पाउंड था. My brother got interested. He said, चलो थोड़ी महंगी देखते हैं. तो 18 साल की, as age gets better. So if the 12-year-old bottle was 50 pounds and 50% you increase the age, how much do you think the 18-year-old bottle was? 200 pounds. 4 times. And he got more adventurous. He said, let's do a 23-year-old bottle of whiskey. 25% more age. Now this 200 pounds, how much do you think it went up? 600 pounds. Then he said, let's look at a 25-year-old bottle of whiskey. Just 10% more age. How much do you think the bottle went to? 2,000 pounds. What is this? The same thing happens in equity. And this, my friend, is the simplest way to understand the magic of time. We call it compounding in finance, but I think you will remember whiskey more than compounding. I have explained lots of financial concepts, but across this country, poor, rich, man, women, Tamil, Kashmiri, the most powerful example of money I've ever used is whiskey. It tells us something about ourselves.